Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to hide likes on Instagram Reels. Let's have a look. First, visit instagram.com in a browser on your computer. Log in with your Instagram ID and password. On the Instagram website, click your profile picture icon on top right. Then click Profile. Click on the Reels tab and open the reel whose likes you would like to hide. I would like to hide this reel likes. Click three dots at top right. Then click Hide Like Count. That's it. Likes hidden for this reel. If you would like to unhide the like count for the reel, open the reel and click three dots, then click Unhide Like Count. So these are the steps to hide likes on Instagram Reels. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.